Hey guys, what's up? I'm back again for another video, and I've been wondering to myself, what should I build next? I've been thinking about it over again, and so I decided to look at the comments, the few that I had from my previous video. I asked, what do you guys want me to make? What should I create? And I just started thinking and thinking and thinking. So many good things to print, so many good things cosplay wise. And obviously a lot of people love helmets, and I love helmets because most of the majority of the cosplays I've ever worn over the years required masks or helmets, so it's my thing, and I love 3D printing. I absolutely love, and to get the chance to make all of these things that I've always loved and admired from movies, TV, anime, video games, it's been so incredible to make these things into something I can hold and be able to use, in the real world. Being able to make a Power Ranger helmet, being able to dress up as Iron Man or the Red Hood. And if any of you guys want to know how to finish a 3D printed helmet, there is a link right here. You can just click on that box up here and you can see all the 3 videos of the making of the Red Gokai helmet. Or for some of you who've never seen the series, it's the Super Mega Force helmet, which is controversy. Super Mega Force, Gokai. It's basically the same thing, but once the Japanese series was, in my opinion, the best version of it. Sorry, Saban. I'm sorry. So I looked at the comments and I finally decided to make the Ryu Ranger Helmet from the Power Rangers Legendary Wars game. And if you guys haven't played that video game, I would suggest you go download that video game and play it because it is awesome. So guys, the thing is, with this build, I'm going to try to attempt to 3D print this and finish it within 1 week. It takes about 3.5 days to print it on my CR10. So after that, I'm gonna see if I can finish it off in 2 days after getting it off, sanding it, prepping it, and everything. So let's fast forward to the future.
Two days later.
During the printing process, it took a few days to print this helmet, and there were a lot of problems. Since the size of the helmet is a little bit unconventional, it's a little bit different, when it got to a wider point, it kind of left the print bed, so it kind of shifted, causing the layers to misalign into like that. So what do we do with fail prints? This. Alright guys, as you can see right here, here is the Ryu Ranger Helmet. As you guys can see, it's very much covered in tape. It's being held together because it's in several different pieces. More pieces than I actually wanted. Since it did shift, I had to start some layers over again using the variable setting wizard. And what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to take the print, weld the outside of it, then tape it, and then on the inside use the technique that I used for the Gokai red helmet and swoosh around some of that Smooth Cast 300 resin plastic. So when I swoosh it around, it'll fill in those gaps, giving it a nice quick seal, smooth and match up the lining. And then all I have to do is just a little bit of sanding to get it over, a little bit of spot putty to even it out just in the way that I want it. And then we're gonna have this helmet ready, and we're gonna do that all in this one video. We're gonna do this all in one video, and I'm gonna share it with you guys. So if you guys love Power Rangers and you want to see a finished Ryu Ranger Helmet or Ryu, I don't know. If I'm saying it wrong or if I'm saying it right, let me know in the comments below. But if you guys want to see this, stay tuned. We're gonna finish this. We're gonna put a visor in it and we're going to put the ribbon. Hopefully we can make this baby look as good as it did in the game.
The next day.
Apparently, when you challenge yourself to finish something in a couple days and you work outside making your cosplays and your 3D printing because you don't have a garage or a place to hide, and you don't check the weather, you get rained on. And apparently, as you guys can see, I am soaked. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to give... Oh, got water in my nose. So yeah guys, I think I'm gonna have to... Live in the Caribbean, it's gonna rain on you. You got sun at one moment, then you got rain in it. But guys, just give me one more day. Just one more day. I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna show you the Ryu helmet. I'm gonna finish it and it's gonna look awesome. Wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute. Alright, this is a last minute update. I have finished the video, but then on finishing editing and finishing the helmet, last night at around 3:30 a.m., it dropped the little mini video of Power Rangers Legacy Wars mini movie with the Ryu Ranger Helmet. And sadly, to my surprise, the color scheme was a lot different than what was shown in photos and art and in models. Yeah. And I basically was like gobsmacked. My world came crashing down. I was like, my mind completely blown. And I was like, I cannot let my helmet that I just worked so hard on stay the way it is, because it needs to be exact. It needs to be the way it was in the mini movie. It needs to be that way. I don't care. So what did I choose to do? I chose to repaint it. And before you guys thinking I'm going to extend the video into going all the way to that extent of showing you the repainting of it, no. Fast forward, I worked hard all of this afternoon and this morning to repaint the helmet, which I have right here in my hands. You guys want to see it? You guys want to see it? Alright. This is the newly repainted Ryu Ranger Helmet, painted exactly to look like the one in the mini movie. It's nice. It still has the ribbon. It still got the ribbon, guys. So this looks a lot better. This looks a lot better, guys. And I hope you guys like it. This is the final finished helmet. I'm not going to change it. There's no way I'm going to change it again. But see, guys, finally, I'm glad you guys stuck around, and I hope you did stick around. Or kind of fast forwarded to this part. I don't know if you guys probably did. Majority of you probably did. But look, it is awesome. It is nice. I like this version even better than all the yellow, because I don't know why. All that yellow kind of made me think cartoon, but it was still awesome because it's still the same helmet. But this color scheme is epic, guys. I gotta try it on. I gotta see how I look in this. I swear, this looks awesome, guys. I don't even know if I'm the first, but if I am, I love this thing. So awesome. All right, guys. I just wanted to show you this how it changed, because I know a lot of you guys saw the trailer, and I did not want you guys to see the video and think that's completely wrong. No, guys. I made sure to correct that issue, and now we finally have it. We finally have this baby completely finished. All right, guys. Remember, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and click that notification bell. That way you guys know when I'm going to be updating. Make sure you help me out to grow this channel and to stay tuned for more videos, and give suggestions on the comments below of what you want to see me print. I know a lot of people have been asking me in private messages, asking me what I do with suit of armor. I don't know, because a suit of armor is a big job, which I would have to span out into several different videos. But it's a possibility, but I am not sure. But I will be making another helmet maybe in the future, maybe something Batman, because this week starts this new season of the Arrowverse, and tomorrow is going to be The Flash, guys. The Flash! Oh my god, my nerdgasm button has been going up. Well, alright guys, you guys take care, have a good day, and enjoy you, and see you later on. Peace!